Meaning of decriminalize.
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 Decriminalize. Decriminalization refers to the act of removing legal penalties for certain activities that were previously considered illegal. This means that while the particular activity may still be technically illegal, there are no criminal consequences for engaging in it. Decriminalization often leads to a shift in focus from punishment to harm reduction, with an emphasis on public health rather than criminal justice. The result of decriminalization is typically a decrease in arrests and incarceration rates, as well as a reduction in associated social and economic costs.